Are you looking for wood crafts and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there! Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about on how wooden crafts ideas are being become best trends in modern interiors by showing you a collection of wood craft and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Wooden crafts have seen a remarkable resurgence in modern interior design, becoming a prominent trend that reflects both aesthetic appeal and sustainability. As homeowners and designers increasingly prioritize natural materials, wooden crafts offer a unique blend of warmth, texture, and versatility that can enhance any space. This exploration delves into how wooden crafts have become integral to contemporary interiors, focusing on their design impact, the craftsmanship involved, and their connection to broader lifestyle trends. In recent years, the shift towards minimalism and sustainable living has significantly influenced design choices. Wooden crafts resonate with this movement, providing an eco-friendly alternative to synthetic materials. The natural beauty of wood, with its varied grains and rich hues, adds character and depth to interiors. Whether it's a rustic farmhouse aesthetic or a sleek Scandinavian look, wooden elements can adapt to fit diverse styles. This adaptability is essential in modern design, where personalization and uniqueness are highly valued. The rise of DIY culture has also fueled the popularity of wooden crafts. Many individuals are now eager to create their own home decor, leading to a surge in interest in woodworking and craft projects. This hands-on approach not only fosters creativity, but also allows people to imbue their spaces with personal significance. Crafting wooden decor can involve anything from simple wall art to intricate furniture pieces, enabling individuals to express their artistic vision while contributing to a growing trend of self-made decor. One of the most appealing aspects of wooden crafts is their ability to evoke a sense of nostalgia and connection to nature. In an increasingly digital world, many seek solace in organic materials that remind them of the outdoors. Wooden wall art, for example, can bring the beauty of nature inside, creating a calming environment. Large wooden sculptures or wall installations can serve as focal points that draw attention and spark conversation, bridging the gap between art and functional decor. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden decor also plays a significant role in its appeal. Artisans and craftspeople dedicate countless hours to perfecting their skills, resulting in unique, high-quality pieces that stand out in a market filled with mass-produced items. The intricate details and the story behind each handcrafted piece resonate with consumers who value authenticity and artistry. This appreciation for craftsmanship aligns with the modern emphasis on supporting local artisans and sustainable production practices. Moreover, wooden crafts often incorporate mixed materials, further enhancing their versatility. For instance, combining wood with metal or glass can create striking contrasts that elevate the overall design. This trend is particularly evident in furniture design, where wooden frames are paired with metal accents, resulting in pieces that are both stylish and functional. Such combinations allow for a broader range of design possibilities, making wooden crafts suitable for various interior themes, from industrial chic to bohemian. In addition to aesthetics, wooden crafts are also celebrated for their functionality. Many wooden decor items serve practical purposes while enhancing the visual appeal of a space. Shelving units, for example, can be crafted from reclaimed wood, providing both storage and a rustic charm. Wall-mounted wooden racks or hooks can display items like hats, plants, or art, adding both organization and style to entryways or living rooms. The balance between form and function is a hallmark of modern design, and wooden crafts exemplify this principle beautifully. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, the trend of biophilic design, which emphasizes the connection between nature and the built environment, has contributed to the popularity of wooden crafts. Integrating natural elements into interior spaces has been shown to improve well-being and reduce stress. Wooden decor not only fulfills this need but also enhances the overall ambience of a home. Incorporating live-edge wooden slabs as wall decor or using wooden planters can create a harmonious relationship with nature, fostering a serene atmosphere. As sustainability becomes a priority for many consumers, the use of reclaimed or sustainably sourced wooden crafts is gaining traction. This approach not only reduces waste but also adds a story to each piece, as reclaimed wood often carries a history that can enhance its charm. Consumers are increasingly drawn to the idea of owning a unique item that has been repurposed, reflecting a commitment to environmental consciousness. This trend aligns perfectly with the modern consumer's desire for products that are both beautiful and responsible. The versatility of wooden crafts allows for endless customization, which is particularly appealing in interior design. Homeowners can choose finishes, stains, and styles that align with their personal taste, ensuring that their decor reflects their individual style. This level of customization is often lost in mass-produced items, making handcrafted wooden pieces more desirable. Whether it's a personalized wooden sign, a custom-made bookshelf, or uniquely shaped wall art, the ability to tailor items to specific preferences enhances their value in modern interiors. In addition to individual pieces, wooden crafts can play a significant role in creating cohesive design themes throughout a home. By selecting complementary wooden elements, homeowners can ensure that each room flows seamlessly into the next. For example, using similar wood tones in furniture, wall art, and decorative accessories can create a harmonious look that ties the space together. This unifying effect is essential in modern design, where the goal is often to create an inviting and cohesive atmosphere. The cultural significance of wood has also contributed to its enduring appeal in decor. Different cultures have unique approaches to woodworking, with traditional techniques being passed down through generations. Incorporating these cultural elements into modern interiors can add depth and narrative to a space. For instance, handcrafted wooden masks or carvings can serve as striking wall decor, celebrating cultural heritage while adding a distinctive touch to the room. As the trend for wooden crafts continues to grow, the potential for innovation is limitless. Designers and artisans are now experimenting with new techniques, such as laser cutting, to create intricate designs that were once impossible to achieve. This technological advancement allows for greater creativity and precision in wooden decor, resulting in contemporary pieces that resonate with modern sensibilities. The fusion of traditional craftsmanship with modern technology showcases the evolution of woodwork and its relevance in today's design landscape. Moreover, the emotional connection to wooden crafts cannot be overlooked. Each piece carries a sense of warmth and comfort that is often absent in colder materials like metal or plastic. Wooden decor can evoke feelings of nostalgia, reminding individuals of cherished memories associated with nature, family, or craftsmanship. This emotional resonance enhances the overall experience of a space, making it not just visually appealing but also meaningful. In conclusion, wooden crafts have emerged as a leading trend in modern interior design, characterized by their versatility, sustainability, and aesthetic appeal. As homeowners and designers increasingly embrace natural materials, wooden decor serves as a perfect solution that meets the demands of contemporary living. The craftsmanship involved, the emotional connection to wood, and the ability to personalize each piece contribute to its popularity. As we move forward, the integration of wooden crafts in interiors will likely continue to evolve, further solidifying their place in modern design. The future of wooden decor is bright, and its presence in homes is a testament to our enduring relationship with nature and craftsmanship. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood crafts and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.